If you've been looking for bar stools that actually look modern but are still comfortable to sit in, these are honestly really nice. The bucket seat design makes a big difference because they feel more supportive and comfortable than those flat hard stools that nobody wants to sit in for very long. I also really like the faux leather finish. It gives them that modern farmhouse look, but it's also super easy to wipe clean, which is great for kitchens or dining areas. The black metal frame gives them a clean modern style, and they feel sturdy once assembled without being overly heavy or bulky. Another thing I noticed is that they're lightweight enough to move around easily, but they still feel solid and stable when sitting in them. The built-in footrest is also a nice touch because it just makes them more comfortable for everyday use at a kitchen island or counter, and overall these work really well if you want something that looks stylish, feels comfortable, and blends easily with a lot of different home decor styles.